This is our first video since I had my knee surgery. It'll be 2 weeks tomorrow since I've had it. So I'll give you an update, show you something. I'll make a little short on that. I don't want to put that on with food. So I'll show you that. We are going to make peanut butter donuts. Yum.
Who wouldn't like that, right?
Right. So first off, I just have 1 cup of flour in here. And then I have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Right there. We're going to mix that up a little bit. Okay. And we're going to set that aside. And then in here, we're going to put a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Packed brown sugar, as you see. A 1/4 cup of sour cream. Because you know this is going to be moist, that sour cream in there. A 1/4 cup of peanut butter. You can use crunchy in this too if you want. Get it out there. Okay. And now we're going to put in 1 egg. 3 tablespoons of milk. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Or so, measure with your heart. So we're going to mix that up a little bit in here. Get all that peanut butter mixed up. All right. Bill's been trying to take care of me. I'm a little princess. I'm demanding.
No, she's not. She's been a good patient. And she's doing really well.
Yeah, we even went to the gym today. I did a little bit of the arms and then a little bit of the bicycle, the one that they use for therapy. So I used that the other day at therapy, my first day. So I thought it wouldn't hurt to use it there. So I went with him. So we're going to mix in our dry ingredients. We're not going to mix it too much. We don't want to over mix it. And that's it for the dough, guys. All right. And you can easily double this if you want more. All right, got that all mixed up. You can put this into a baggie and snip the corner, or you can put it in a piping bag. I think I'm just going to try to spoon it in. Because, you know, I like to do things the hard way.
Yeah, he does.
Try to get it around there without getting it everywhere, you know. 6 times. Or, I don't know, I think this is a miniature mold, so we may have to, we may have 12 of them. So we're going to get this done, and then we'll be right back. Show you when we get ready to put them in the oven. All right, guys. It just made the 6 donuts. I can't remember if this is a mini donut pan or a big one. Must be a big one. We'll see when they come out. So we've got 6 here, and that's what this recipe was. We're going in a 400-degree oven for 9 to 11 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. All right, had them in the oven for 11 minutes on mine. And look, I almost don't have no hole in the middle of my donut. So probably could have got 2 more out of these. But we just shoved them all in the 6. So we're going to let that cool for just a few minutes while we make the icing. So, first off, let me get a whisk.
Whisk it.
Bam. All right, so 1 cup of powdered sugar. I'm not very ready here, am I? A tablespoon of peanut butter. This might be a little difficult to get.
She's limping.
All stirred up. Yes, I am. I've been on my leg a lot today, so I need to go ice and rest it. A half a teaspoon of vanilla. And a couple tablespoons of milk of your choice. Cream, water, whatever you want to use. And we're just going to stir that up. We can get that peanut butter mixed up. Yeah. We get it. And guys, that would probably be good with if you made some ganache and put on top. You can use this peanut butter icing. Put some mini chocolate chips on top of that, or something. You could use whatever you want, but I thought peanut butter icing with peanut butter donuts. Make a little glaze. And that's that for that. Now we just wait until our donuts cool, and we'll be back and show you what we do. Alright guys, the donuts are cool, the icing is made, and look how big they are. I was debating, should I do the top? Should I cut this off? We're just going to go with it. Because that's what we do. It can't be bad. So we're just dipping that top down in there. Ooh-wee!
And you could fancy it up with some sprinkles.
Yep, absolutely. Some chocolate chips on there.
Ooh, yeah.
And even Billy mentioned it, and I didn't say it on there, but with this icing right here, you could put some cocoa in it, some cocoa powder. Have you a little Buckeye donut?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-mm-mm. Look at that.
And they're baked, so they're good for you, right?
Right. Exactly. And they look like muffins now. There's no hole.
They kind of do.
If I would do it that way.
Yeah. I'll do one that way.
I think I will. They're just not going to be sitting even. There. Oh, got it on my finger. Got a little bit of icing left. I will put that on there too, because we're not throwing that away. Alright guys, we're going to let this icing sit up just a little bit, and then we'll do a taste test. Alright guys, we're going to try it. See, this one's looking more like a donut since I turned it upside down. But, oh, let's give this a try. Next time I'd make like 7 or 8. That way we would have the hole.
Yeah, it swelled up pretty big, didn't it?
So good. Guys, if you're a peanut butter lover, give it a try. If you're a Buckeye lover, put some ganache on there, or the chocolate chips, or the cocoa. Yum. You guys will love this if you like peanut butter.
Possibilities are endless.
Absolutely. Put some sprinkles on top of that baby.
Yeah.
Yum. Alright guys, so like, comment, share, subscribe, hype, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out guys. Have a great day.
Later, Gator.